I'm Dr. Matheen Asrar, nutritionist, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about detox diets. What is a detox? Basically, a detox means you are removing toxins from the body. You are cleansing your body, removing harmful substances, helping your organs to recover, cleansing your liver, improving your circulation. These are all the advantages of a detox. In general, when people hear the word detox, they immediately think that they have to go on a fast. Now, a fast is also good, but it depends on what kind of fasting you are looking for. Traditionally, our ancestors have fasted for religious reasons, either for about 8 hours or 10 hours or longer than that. Now, when you go on a detox fast, it means that you deprive yourself of eating anything the entire period of fasting, and then suddenly you're going to be overloading your stomach with foods. So that is not good. On the other hand, there are also diets which suggest that you should have only liquids. Like you can start off with clear liquids. It can be anything like coconut water or clear soups or clear strained fruit juices that you will be giving yourself the entire period of detox that you are on. It could be a 2-day detox or a 3-day detox. We call this basically as a cleansing diet in which you only take liquid foods so that you allow your major organs to recover and allow yourself the time to get rid of the toxins. And also you have other types of detox diets which are very, very high in fiber, which consist only of whole grain foods. In the sense you will be including oats, wheat germ, and rice bran, and things which are very, very hard to digest, which help again to include fiber in your body and help again to absorb all the extra toxins and remove them from your body. So these are the various types of detox diets. You also have laxatives which are given, or enemas which are given to remove toxins from the body. So depending on your condition, we here at Mamta Fertility Hospital design different kinds of detox diets which are not actually eliminating diets, but something which includes all types of foods which are required for you to have a healthy, balanced diet.